You can call your boss and tell him to shut down his operation. Tonight.
That's not much of an offer.
That's the only one you're gonna get. When you pray for rain, you gotta deal with the mud, too.
Look at me. What do you see?
I promised someone that I loved very much that I would never go back to being that person. But for you, I'm gonna make an exception. You asked me what I saw when I looked at you. What do you see when you look at me?